Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful crochet made 5 petal flower. It is beautifully shaped. Now let's start. Our wool is of 4 ply and crochet is of 3 mm. First we'll make a slip knot. It's very simple. Now we'll make 6 chains. 6 chains we'll make to form a small ring. We'll attach with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. A small ring has been formed. Now we start our first round. It is total 2 rounds. 3 chains we'll make and 1 double crochet in the ring. We have to make 5 petals. It is the first petal. Now we'll make 3 chains. 3 chains are required to separate one petal from the other. Now we'll make 2 double crochets in the ring. This is second petal. Three chains and again 2 double crochets in the ring. It is the third petal. Like this we'll complete our 2 other petals also. 2 double crochets and 3 chains. 1 double crochet more for fourth petal. 3 chains. And finally it is fifth petal, 2 double crochets for fifth petal. Now we have to attach with uppermost chain. We'll attach with the help of 1 double crochet. One double crochet will make in the first chain, first uppermost chain. Now we are going to make second round and final round. First we make 1 single crochet in ring. Then 1 half double crochet. Then 1 double crochet. Then we'll make 1 treble crochet. 4 types of crochets we'll make in the pocket. One treble crochet we have also made. Now we'll make 4 chains. We'll attach with the treble crochet we made earlier with the help of slip stitch. We'll not make a single crochet, we'll make slip stitch. We'll attach with the help of slip stitch. Now we have to move reverse. That means now we'll make one triple crochet, one double crochet, one half double crochet, and finally one single crochet. Thus we have prepared our first petal. Its shape is very good. Like this we'll make other petals also. Now we'll make one single crochet in between the two double crochets earlier made. Now second petal we are going to make one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, one triple crochet, and then we'll make one picot. Our second petal is ready. Two petals are really looking very beautiful and shape is awesome. Like this we'll make our three other petals also. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. But don't forget to press the bell icon near at the side. Both flowers look very beautiful. I hope you also enjoyed the video. We'll make our one single crochet in between the two double crochets and one single crochet in the first petal from where we had started. We'll make one chain and detach the thread and we'll tag it at the back neatly. I'm eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.